The video will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We all know gravity as the invisible force that keeps us grounded and holds entire galaxies together. But what if gravity wasn't as stable as we think? What if the universe itself had an expiration date? And what if everything we know and understand is on a ticking clock toward chaos? Let's dive into these fascinating concepts and explore what they could mean for us, for the universe, and for the very fabric of reality. Imagine for a moment that gravity, the force that binds us to the Earth, isn't permanent. What if it could weaken, strain, or even tear apart? To understand this, we need to revisit Einstein's general relativity, which describes gravity as the curvature of space-time. Think of it like a stretched fabric, but fabrics can rip under enough stress. Could gravity face the same fate? To explore this, we'll travel to the most extreme corners of the universe. Black holes, where gravity is so intense that even light cannot escape. Neutron stars, where matter is packed so densely it defies comprehension. And the very beginnings of time, the Big Bang, where unimaginable forces shaped everything. These are the places where space-time might stretch beyond its limits. If gravity could tear, would it create a dark, endless void, or perhaps a glowing portal to another dimension? Could these rips explain dark matter, or even serve as gateways to parallel universes? The implications are profound and challenge our understanding of existence. Now let's shift to the universe itself. What if it isn't infinite, but instead has a shelf life, a point in time when it simply ends? This brings us to entropy, the natural tendency of all things to move toward disorder over time. The stars that light up our skies will one day burn out. Galaxies will drift apart into cold, dark voids. And even the atoms that make up everything could eventually unravel. This idea is known as the heat death of the universe, a slow fade into nothingness. But what if it doesn't happen gradually? What if it's sudden and catastrophic? The Big Rip theory suggests that dark energy, the mysterious force driving the universe's expansion, could become so powerful that it tears everything apart. Galaxies, planets, and even atoms could be ripped to shreds in an instant. This would be the ultimate expiration, a cosmic disintegration. Would there be any signs leading up to it, or would it strike without warning? These questions haunt scientists and spark wild theories about our cosmic fate. Now, what if the universe itself has a physical edge? What would happen if you traveled for billions of years in one direction, only to come up against a boundary? This is one of the most perplexing ideas in modern science. Some speculate that the universe might be finite but unbounded, curving in on itself like a 4D sphere. Others suggest it could have a literal edge, detectable through anomalies in cosmic microwave background radiation or unexpected gravitational effects. But if an edge exists, what lies beyond it? Could it be an impenetrable barrier, a vast emptiness? Or perhaps a transition into something entirely different? Another universe, a higher dimension, or even nothingness? The idea of an edge forces us to rethink space, time, and the limits of human exploration. Would it mark the end of what we can ever know, or the beginning of something unimaginable? So, what do these mind-bending possibilities mean for us? If the universe has a shelf life or a literal edge, how would that change the way we live? Would humanity try to escape to another dimension or universe? Could advanced civilizations find ways to survive the ripping apart of reality? And what about the philosophical implications? Knowing that everything has an end point, does that make life more meaningful? Or does it challenge our sense of purpose in an impermanent cosmos? Finally, let's consider the possibility of cosmic renewal. If the universe ends, could it also begin again? In some theories, the collapse of one universe could ignite the birth of another. A big crunch might lead to another Big Bang, restarting the cycle. Or perhaps a universe-ending tear in space-time could open the door to entirely new realms of existence. The idea of a cyclical universe, a cosmic phoenix rising from its ashes, is as poetic as it is profound. Could destruction be the catalyst for creation? If so, the end of everything we know might not be an ending at all, but a transformation into something new. These concepts, fragile gravity, a finite universe, and cosmic rebirth, challenge everything we think we know. They push the boundaries of science and imagination, inviting us to look deeper into the mysteries of existence. What do you think? Could the universe have an edge? Does everything have a shelf life? And if the universe ends, could it begin anew? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep exploring the unimaginable together.
And thanks for watching.